How to make potato salad. Boil potatoes. Boil eggs. Put mayonnaise with mustard. Mix together. Chop onions and spring onions. Leave potatoes to cool. Leave the eggs to cool so we can peel them. Peel the eggs. Chop the potatoes into bite-sized bits. Chop the egg into bite-sized pieces. Add the egg to the potatoes.
Right.
Add the onions to the eggs and potato. Add the mayonnaise and mustard to the onion, egg and potato. Mix it all together. Season with salt and pepper. Mix together again.
I'm so sorry. I feel terrible. My name is it's my husband Pete.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not too sure about it.
Finish.
No, no, I'm not.